Hello and welcome to the Gulfood 2025 here in Dubai. To provide sustainable and affordable beverages to everyone everywhere is one of our major claims at the Krones AG. And of course this also counts for our Krones process technology. Our Krones process technology portfolio covers a wide range which gives you the chance to produce your products exactly according to your requirements. That covers, of course, starting from our components like our EvoGuard valves, from simple shut-off functions up to high advanced aseptic functions, the complete range. Of course, complementing that with the complete portfolio of the valve technology and pump technology. Beside of that, we also provide our customers with our solutions in homogenization technology. That covers the complete range for our component business. Beside of the components, of course, we also provide the solutions within the unit business. The unit business is already very well known. Our products are very well known also in your region. There is, of course, a very well-known and globally recognized ContiFlow mixing system for beverages, but also our thermal product treatment series of the Vario Flash and Vario Acept for every applicable product that is required. And of course, and especially here in Middle East Africa, our water treatment system, our hydronomic. Within the region of Middle East, we do have the highest installed base of water treatment systems globally. But we are not only providing the technique for water treatment systems, but we are also supporting you, our customers, in the preparation of the right water. We have our experts, which are trained and educated water sommeliers, who are developing together with you your required water quality. One of the eye catchers on this year Gulfood is our Perfitec system by Perfinox, which you can see right behind me. This application combines the boiling or heating, cooling, mixing and emulsifying of high viscose food, such for example as hummus, sauces, dressings, but also for fruit applications or baby food. With that equipment, we show here the all-rounder in the processing of liquid and especially high viscose food. Last but not least, of course, we also cover end-to-end tailor-made solutions. Starting from the initial phase of project engineering up to the project execution, and of course, very important for us, also the life cycle service. So everything after the project. That defines us with you as a partner. Together with you, our valued customers, rather to say partner, we developed so many good projects that it's really a great pleasure being back here.